Namaste to all. Last couple of days, I've been receiving messages from my known contacts. Even today, also, I got a message about deaths, sudden deaths of many people. Like people are normal, healthy, no issues, no medical problems. Suddenly, they are, having heart attack issue or some brain hemorrhage, something happening. Sudden deaths. I made several videos on death, but it's very, very important. When I listened today, also one message came. I was remembering that, it's very, very important to ponder upon death every day. Paramatma says, Om Krito Smar. At the time of death, we must chant the name of Paramatma. And unfortunately, we do not know what will be the time of our death. Today, I'm making this video. Tomorrow morning, I may not exist. We do not know. Today I don't have any medical problem, but tomorrow morning I may not exist. I can suddenly heart attack can happen, or suddenly I'm walking on the road and accident can happen. Like today Delhi fire accident happened. So anything can happen at any point of time. So Paramatma says in Yajurveda 35/4, Ashwattevo Nishadanam. Paramatma clearly says Ashwattevo Nishadanam. Ashwatte, Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati beautifully writes, कल ठहरेगा व नहीं ऐसे अनित्य संसार में. Ashwatte means whether tomorrow you will be there or not. It's not too sure. Shwa means tomorrow. Ashwa means here ashwa, shwa, ashwa. Tomorrow you might not exist. You might not see tomorrow in this body. So कल ठहरेगा व नहीं ऐसे अनित्य संसार में वो निषदनम, वो मीन्स वह, इन संस्कृत वो विल बिकम वह निषदनम, तुम लोगों की निषदनम स्थिति की है जगदीश्वर ने. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस स्टेटमेंट, अश्वत्थे वो निषदनम. The message from Paramatma in this mantra Yajurveda 35/4 is, मनुष्यों को चाहिए कि अनित्य संसार में अनित्य शरीरों और पदार्थों को प्राप्त होके क्षणभंगुर जीवन में धर्माचरण के साथ नित्य परमात्मा की उपासना कर आत्मा और परमात्मा के संयोग से उत्पन्न हुए नित्य सुख को प्राप्त हो. Every word of Maharishi is to be deeply pondered upon. See the words here used. आत्मा और परमात्मा के संयोग से उत्पन्न हुए नित्य सुख को प्राप्त हो. इफ आत्मा एंड प्रकृति के संयोग से दुख मिलता है और आत्मा जीवात्मा और परमात्मा के संयोग से सुख, नित्य एटर्नल हैप्पीनेस वी विल गेट. सो महर्षि राइट्स, अनित्य संसार में अनित्य शरीर और पदार्थों को प्राप्त होके क्षणभंगुर जीवन में धर्माचरण करो. So most important thing to remember death is to secure that we follow the path of dharma. Let us not do any adharma. Every day morning, like Samveda says, yo jagar tam richah kamayante. हमेशा जागरूक रहो और सुबह जल्दी उठकर ना हमको परमात्मा के ध्यान में बैठना चाहिए. And when we sit in Paramatma's dhyan, we must understand that our body, with our body we must do dharmacharan. We should not do adharmacharan. And knowingly, unknowingly we do adharmacharan. Then remember this mantra. If we do adharmacharan, tomorrow we do not exist in this body, there won't be any opportunity to correct that adharma to dharma. Because only in the human body we can do fresh karma. In animal bodies, the animals are bhoga yonis, they cannot do fresh karmas. So Maharishi writes, धर्माचरण के साथ नित्य परमात्मा की उपासना करो. सो धर्माचरण भी करना है और परमात्मा की उपासना भी करना. सी आई वॉज लिसनिंग टू वन आचार्य जी फ्रॉम आर्य समाज, वेरी वैराग्यवान आचार्य ध्रुवदेव महाराज, and he was telling one very important statement. One minute, let me open that statement. What he was telling is, वेदोक्त सकाम कर्म करते हुए भी व्यक्ति की प्रवृत्ति बुरे कर्म के पक्ष जा सकता है. क्यों? क्योंकि ईश्वर में प्रेम और श्रद्धा नहीं है, इसलिए. सो दैट्स व्हाट महर्षि ऑल्सो मेंशंस हियर. नित्य परमात्मा की उपासना करो और परमात्मा की उपासना श्रद्धा भाव से करना है. Otherwise, what happens is, even though you will be doing Vedokta karma, that karma will become a Sakam karma, and because of lack of love, lack of pyar, lack of shraddha, lack of, you know, faith on Paramatma, we will somehow, our pravritti will be made to do adharma in between. So, only with Paramatma's atut shraddha, only with with the shraddha on Paramatma, when we do upasana, we can do dharmacharan. Otherwise, what happens? We will do dharmacharan, suddenly we'll do adharma. It's practical. We all know in our daily life how many times we are doing anti-Vedic deeds. If you do not know what is Vedic deed, what is anti-Vedic deed, my channel's videos might help you. I've been getting some. I got around 200 extra subscribers in the last couple of days due to my Nityananda Mishra video. And I want to apologize. I mentioned the word his name is Misra. It's not Misra, it is Mishra. It's my misunderstanding. And many people had given me comments in that video, supportive comments, as well as, against me, that, you do not know anything in Sanskrit. You cannot even, you say Veda instead of Ved, you say Veda instead of Ram, you say Rama. You are all, you do not know any Sanskrit, you cannot speak about Vedas, etc. People have been commenting. The point is not that, okay, fine, I say Rama, I say Veda, etc. But the main intention, please understand the intention. When I speak the mantra, when I chant the mantra should be Shuddh. That is important. But when I convey the message, sometimes, because of South Indian slang, because of English medium studies, etc., some Ashuddhyata in the words might come. But when I do chanting of the Mool mantra, I always try to chant with perfect sense what I have learned from my Acharya. But anyways, if something is wrong in my video, please apologize. Please forgive me. The reason why I'm putting this video is, again, that we must all try to go back to Vedas, go back to our roots. We must follow dharma, never do adharma. The message is very clear, and we must do upasana of that Paramatma with utmost shraddha, because tomorrow we do not know whether we'll be alive or not. And also, Nachiketa in Kathopanishad, he says, Shobhava martayasya yadanta kaitat. Shobhava, same word. Here also Ashwate, similar word is Shobhava. Kal tak hi rehne wale kshan bangur, kshan sthai. स्थाई नहीं है, क्षण स्थाई. अभी है, कल नहीं. शोभावा, कल रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा पता नहीं है. कल, आज अभी फिलहाल स्थाई है. टुमारो मॉर्निंग वी डू नॉट नो वेदर विल एग्जिस्ट और नॉट. एंड व्हेन वी डू नॉट एग्जिस्ट, फॉर अस द यूनिवर्स इज गॉन. When we do not exist in our body, with this body I am able to recognize the universe. When I am gone out of the body, Jivatma will not die, but I will not be able to recognize the universe as I am recognizing in this body, because we have got several wisdom in this body, right? But when the Jivatma leaves the body, we might not get another human birth. Based on our karma. Paramatma is Nyayakari. That we must understand. So, Shobhava martayasya. Please understand the word martayasya. Marana dharma manushyaha. Martayasya means मनुष्य का धर्मी मरण. बिकॉज जन्म हो गया तो मरण तो 100% निश्चित है. बट अनिश्चित क्या है, हमें नहीं पता कि हम 100 साल जिएंगे या 50 साल में मरेंगे या कल मरेंगे. वी डू नॉट नो इट. सो दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. शोभाव मर्तयस्य यदंत कहितत्. हे मृत्यु, Nachiketa is saying to Mrityu Yamaraj, Yamacharya, that I do not know whether I will be living until you are giving me boon, you are giving vardhan for me to enjoy all the sensual enjoyments up to hundreds of years and thousands of years. But I do not know whether I will be living tomorrow or not. Although you say that I will be long living, but Nachiketa says, Sarvendriyanam Jarayanti Teja. Even though, I will be living, let's say, 100 years or 200 years, you have given all the sensual enjoyments, and when I indulge myself in sensual enjoyments, the Sarvendriyanam Jarayanti Teja, iska tej khatam ho jayega, indriyon ka shamta khatam ho jayega. So I don't want this. See, Nachiketa's message is very clear. I don't want this, because I know tomorrow I might not exist tomorrow. I know it. So I do not want whatever you are giving. What I want is what I have asked you. I want to know what happens after death. I want to know the secrets of Samparaya, that which is not visible. Samparaya means that which is paroksh. एक चीज प्रत्यक्ष है, दूसरा परोक्ष है. Paroksha means that we cannot perceive by our eyes and the sense organs. That is samparaya. So Nachiketa will say that मुझे वो चाहिए, मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, मुझे you are giving me everything, I understand, thank you for it, but finally say तवैव वाहा तव नृत्य गीत है, आप अपने पास रखो, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. I don't want whatever you are giving me. You are giving me vehicle, you are giving me ladies, you are giving me money, you are giving me wealth, you are giving me blessing for grandsons and granddaughters and long life, etc. I don't want, because anyway one day I will have to die. And so Baba, I do not know whether I will be alive tomorrow or not. And even if I am alive, and then but I cannot enjoy these things eternally, because इंद्रियों का कुशलता कम हो जाएगा. मीन्स कुशलता मीन्स इंद्रियों का जो तेज है वो कम हो जाएगा. तो I will not be able to sustain this. So please understand. So the reason why I remembered these one shloka from Katha Upanishad and also from mantra from Yajurveda is because I have been listening to many death messages and also saw some videos. Somebody was killed, somebody with higher accident. So we really have to ponder upon death. Tomorrow morning we will be alive or not, we do not know. Yeah, we hope tomorrow morning we'll be alive, but we are not too sure. Death can happen at any point of time. So be prepared for your own death and be prepared for the death of your loved ones. The more difficult thing is death of our loved ones. Tomorrow morning, assuming that my closest relative, it could be my wife, my daughter, my mother, my father, my closest relative is not existing tomorrow, I have to get mentally prepared by understanding Tattva Gyan. Mentally prepared means by understanding the universal truth that yes, tomorrow they may also go and I may also go. This is the universal truth. It's extremely important to ponder upon death, and Paramatma says dharma acharan karo. In Yajurveda, the mantra what I told you, Ashwatevo Nishadanam, ये जो है पत्ते के समान तुम्हारा जिंदगी है. जैसे पत्ता हवा में उड़ जाता है, tomorrow morning you might not live in this body. So do dharma charan. That's the main message. Do upasana of that Paramatma. And आत्मा और परमात्मा का संयोग से नित्य आनंद को उत्पत्ति करो. Today we are putting संयोग of Atma and Prakriti made tattva. Atma is indulged in all the Prakriti made tattva. Gaadi hai, sona, chandi, ityadi, ityadi. So Paramatma says, be very careful and do upasana of that Paramatma. Try to do dharmacharan and try to focus your mind on Paramatma. Thereby, tomorrow even if you pass away, you have achieved something in this life. That's the main message. And again, I am telling you, the video I am doing, most of the video I am doing is for myself. When I make video, when I repeat something orally, I also listen. I also get inspiration, and I always have a belief that you might also get some inspiration. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om, Om, Om.